Good afternoon guys, today I am back with another video. Today I will show you how to repair a dent in a bumper or a plastic bumper. My car has suffered a minor dent while the car was standing in a traffic, and this particular area was bruised by a motorcycle. As you can see that the bumper has gone inside, so I will try to lift this up and bring it back to shape. Only this thing I won't be able to do, as there is a deep scratch and the primer has come up. That cannot be done, but I can lift it back into shape, and I will show you this easy process. Now this particular area is just below the headlight. Now this area can be accessed from this side also through this fender lining. There are some screws and you can open the fender lining and access that, but in this particular case it is more accessible below the headlight. So I will remove the headlight in this car. In other cars, if you find that area is accessible easier to you, you can access from the fender lining side. So I will remove this headlight. So these are the headlight screws. To remove this particular screws, you don't need this particular electric screwdriver. Even a normal screwdriver will do the job. Now I need to open this. So I have removed the headlight. Now this is the bulge, there you can see, that has to be lifted back. Now I will provide some heat with the help of a heat gun. Particular heat gun is also very helpful. I have procured this from Amazon and you can buy it. I will give you the links if you are interested. A little more.
গানটা সামনে ধরে থাকতো।
Okay, so I have brought back the bulge. Now this is a deep scratch has taken place, so this particular thing requires a body shop to mend it, but for the time being what I will do, I will cover this scratch with the help of a paint, so that this particular eyesore gets minimized.
আর এটা
Now I will paint this. So I have covered those areas with this paint with the help of a brush. Now I will allow it to dry and finally wet sand this area and then polish it. So in order to blend with the original paint, yes, of course it won't look like a spray finish one, but at least it will be somewhat better than those white areas. That dent, I have lifted that particular dent, but this area requires some painting as there is a deep scratch, so that cannot be done in that process. What I have done, I have given a little bit of paint with the help of a paint brush. So the entire area has blended with the original area. So if you find this particular technique useful and if you think you can remove these bumper dents easily at home, you should definitely try it. And if you have any questions regarding this procedure, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section box, and all the tool links I will give you in the description box. So thanks for watching and please do subscribe.